Mount Roraima might be the most famous of South America's lost worlds, but it's not the only one. Scattered across the Amazon and Venezuela are other mysterious plateaus that rise above the clouds, hiding landscapes few humans have ever seen. And before we begin, check the links in the description. They'll help you save money on flights, tours, and stays if you ever want to experience these wonders yourself. Our first stop is Auyán-Tepui, the largest of them all, and home to Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall on Earth. It plunges nearly a kilometer from the clouds, creating an endless mist that feeds the jungle below. Next is Kukenán-Tepui, often called Roraima's twin. Few dare to climb it. It's remote, steep, and sacred to the indigenous Peman people. Legends say ancient spirits still protect the summit. Then there's Sarisariñama Tepuis, one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Its summit is dotted with massive sinkholes so deep they create their own ecosystems, untouched by humans for millions of years. Scientists believe these tepuis could hold undiscovered species of plants and animals, remnants of a prehistoric world that has survived in isolation high above the jungle. Scientists believe these tepuis could hold undiscovered species of plants and animals, remnants of a prehistoric world that has survived in isolation high above the jungle. It's no wonder Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World was inspired by these plateaus. Even today, they remain one of the last true frontiers of exploration. Ready to see the lost world up close? Up next, we skim cloud oceans and cliff edges. Stay for Chapter 8. Keep watching. In moments, we dive over Roraima's summit, chase waterfalls through mist, then glide into the next chapter. Links below can save your trip. From the misted canopy, we rise towards stone. Light threads the fog. Birds scatter, revealing the cliff's immensity. Veils of water comb the sandstone face. Wind shreds the spray into tiny rainbows that blink and vanish. Skimming the ancient tabletop, we trace rain-carved runnels, lichen mosaics, and mirror pools reflecting cloud oceans. Wind brushes the stone, and the world falls away at the edges, an island of rock adrift above the Amazon. Clouds build like mountains of their own. A rainburst sweeps the plateau, then the sun parts the curtains in radiant beams. Life clings to this island roof. A jeweled beetle, a patient mantis, and dew-laden moss, miniature worlds within a world. One massif yields to another. Shapes echo across horizons as colors drift from warm to cool, the stone breathing with the sky. At the river's feet, mist curls over boulders. Ferns bow and rise, droplets spark like scattered stars. Black quartzite corridors unfold. Pools mirror the cloud fields above, each step like walking another planet. A river of clouds spills over the rim. From above, the world becomes surf-frozen mid-crash. On the savanna fringes, communities steward these lands. Tepuis watch from the horizon, guardians older than memory. Night turns the sky into a wheel. Star trails circle the dark plateau, time engraving light. Under moonlight, the cliffs glow softly. The world hushes. Stone keeps its quiet counsel. Dawn paints a winding river mirror blue. Mist lifts. Flashes of color cross the frame and vanish. Sunburst through broken cloud crowns the summit. Brief rainbows flare and fade. Blessings of vapor and light. Layer on layer, the table mountains recede. We leave them in twilight, carrying their stillness with us. If you were amazed by these hidden plateaus, don't miss the lost world of Mount Roraima discovered. It's the perfect next step in this journey. And don't forget, the links in the description can help you save money if you ever plan to explore these incredible places in real life. See you on the summit.